I've got a quick question.
I'm excited now. Go on.
It's just, when light's traveling through a medium and then it goes to a more optically dense medium.
Yeah.
So got like a higher refractive index.
Yeah.
Does it travel faster or slower when it's moved into the new medium?
Yeah. So go back to your basics. Say here we had air.
Yeah.
It's going to be your glass. Okay.
Yeah.
And here's your wave traveling at light like this. Now, what we've done the work so far, it bends towards the normal. Okay. Now,
so then does it slow down?
Yeah, and literally what happens is you got refractive index, whatever it is, and we've been looking at N1 and we've got N2, for example. If N2 is going to be greater than N1, the wave, it will slow down. And we had a question yesterday from Kazim, was a really nice question actually. And we say it is more dense, but what you got to get your head around, it's optically more dense. Okay.
Yeah, it's not necessarily.
No, it's not more dense as in mass dense. It's optically more dense. Now, because Macy, you are, as much as you don't miss it, you are a very bright student and you see things really well. It doesn't go into this, but you're somebody who would like to know a bit more about it to understand what's going on. Is because you remember we've talked about light waves being EM waves, electromagnetic waves.
Yeah.
When this wave comes along here, it's electromagnetic wave. When it goes through the glass, you've got a crystalline structure here. Yes?
Yeah.
Therefore, the electric and magnetic waves interact with the crystals. And because the way the crystals vibrate, they allow the electromagnetic wave to be transmitted. What it does, it slows down the wave. Okay? So you're correct. The wave has speed V1. And then it's got a speed V2, but V2 will be less than V1 because it's slowing down the wave. If that makes sense.
Is that why that equation's N1 over N2 equals C2 over C1?
Yes. Yeah. So I think is it N1 over N2 it was, C1 over C2 where it was?
I thought it was C2 over C1 or the other way around.
So well, depending which way you do your mediums going through. But so therefore the ratio of the two speeds, I think your book calls it a C2 and a C1, doesn't it? Yeah. That equation appears because what is happening now is you are looking at the ratio of speeds. In fact, I can show you in your book where it appears. Is it chapter? Yeah, it comes in here. Your refractive index of the substance, the NS, there's a speed in air and there's a speed in the substance. And what they've done is they've just used that substance itself. But the equation is really basically the whole refraction is this one here. Your N1 sine I equals N2 sine R. It's the one you can use practically everything in the questions, and it always really helps you understand it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Macy?
Yeah, it's fine.
Good question. Very good question.